guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another new video for the channel. If you are new in this channel, please do me a favor and go down below and subscribe and press the bell button so that you can get the notifications when I post a new video. And if you're already the part of the family, thank you very much guys, and we are on our way to 50 subscribers. Please, let's get the 50 subscribers before the end of this month, please. Today's video, I'll be showing you how I clean my brushes. Here are my brushes I'll be cleaning today. And guys, remember, it's good to keep your brushes clean. You always use them clean so that your makeup cannot be messed up with dirty brushes. Let's begin.
I'm gonna use Sunlight liquid soap and a vinegar, any kind of vinegar that you have, then a cup of warm water. You pour a little bit of liquid soap, not too much, but not a small portion. Then you pour a little bit of vinegar into your warm water. Then you just take the back of your brush and mix it nicely. Then you take your brushes. I'll start with the big ones and put them inside my water. Then, as you can see, I'm placing them looking down with the fluffy side of brush. Then after that, I'm gonna take my small brushes and put them inside water as well so that they can soak together. Then I'm gonna soak them for 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, I'm gonna go check them again. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can see the water, it even changed the color to show the makeup it came out. Then I'm gonna just squeeze my brush to check if it's clean or it still has makeup. But as you can see, when I'm squeezing it clean, it doesn't have makeup. Then I'll take clean water and rinse it. You can use a basin, whatever, but I decided to use a dish. And then, as you can, after rinsing, you rinse it to make sure that soap it came out, and then you place it on a clean towel. And I'm gonna go on do the same thing. Then I'll rinse them nicely. As you can see guys, they are very clean and fresh. Then I'm gonna go on and clean the small ones when I'm done with the big ones. And I'll rinse them when I see that they are very clean. you place them in your towel. I'm gonna place them in this towel for the whole night so that they can dry up. Then when they dry up, I'm gonna just spray them with my setting spray so they can look fresh, can be soft.
Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please share and subscribe and like. See you in the next video. Bye.